Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Cryptogram application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To download Cryptogram on your iOS device, you'll first need to launch open your App Store. Also, make sure that you've connected your device to a stable internet. Now, type in Cryptogram in the search box and search. Look for this application from Joy Interactive Limited. Cryptogram app is a digital tool designed to provide users with puzzle known as cryptograms. Simply tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your iPhone. Wait until the application is downloaded, and once it is, launch open the app and start using Cryptogram word brain puzzle game on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.